Hello, welcome to Oxford Heirlooms. Today I'm going to discuss the basics of French lace because that is the style of lace that I use with my heirloom sewing. French lace is made out of 90% cotton and 10% nylon. You find it at specialty shops and not at the big box stores. It is sold by the yard, so you need to estimate how much lace you need for your project and buy enough to finish. However, I've noticed over the years that most heirloom patterns will tell you on the package how much lace a project requires. Basically, there are two types of French lace. There's what's called edging and insertion. They are different from each other and have unique uses. So in other words, you cannot use them interchangeably. Both edging and insertion come in colors. The vast majority of lace available is white, but there is also some off-white shades called champagne or ecru. And because French lace is made out of cotton, it is possible to dye it, but I've never done that. These samples are lace edgings. This one's white. This one is actually what's called a Malines lace. And if you look at the back side of it real carefully, it's a little bit fuzzy. So when you use Malines laces, you have to be sure to orient the lace to where the fuzzy side is on the inside of the garment. Okay, this one's white also. And this one, I'm not sure if you can see the difference in the color, but it's ecru or champagne. Sometimes I think lace companies use these words interchangeably. Now, what you'll notice about these laces is that they have a straight side and a scalloped side. Since they're edgings, they go on the edge of garments and you only sew on one side. These next four laces are what are called insertions. This one's ecru. This one is white, and once again, it's a Malines lace. So if you look at the back side, it's slightly fuzzy. And when you use it, you'll need to orient your Malines lace so that the fuzzy side is on the inside of the garment. Here's another white one. Not sure if you could tell that one was ecru, but it is. And this last insertion is also called beading. It has a series of small holes in it, and you can weave ribbons into it. Now, what the insertions have in common is they do not have a scalloped edge because they don't go on the edge of garments. They have a straight woven edge on both sides because you sew on both sides of the edge as you insert it. And these are the basics of French lace. Please join Oxford Heirlooms for other videos as I discuss the basics and the finer points of heirloom sewing.